everybody. Welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. And I have something really exciting and a little bit of a story to go with it. When don't I? I used to have an essay, a Chanel essay, at the Mall of America, Chanel, the one inside Nordstrom. And I bought my reissue there, my boy bag there, my wallet on chain there, in probably about 15 to 20 SLGs. And so I believed that I had a buying history with Chanel. Lo and behold, when I tried to purchase something from a Saks Chanel, they couldn't sell it to me because I didn't have a buying history with Chanel.
Wah, wah.
Right. And Dawn from Dawn Loves Couture had graciously given me her essay's name. The essay had sourced a texted me when they got one in store. I had wanted a caviar black O pouch with silver hardware. And she didn't originally have one, but as soon as she got one in, she got a hold of me right away. So I really appreciated it. It was really great of her. However, when she went for me to purchase it, she could not find my buying history, and I didn't know what was going on because I knew I had purchased a lot of things from Chanel.
Believe me, I know.
And so then she said that maybe they were a Chanel that didn't tie into the main Chanel boutiques. So, and they aren't allowed to sell to a first-time buyer over the phone and ship something. And they were in Manhattan, so there wasn't any way that I was going to be able to go and pick that up. So I was upset, and because I was all excited to finally have a Chanel essay again. And I don't like calling over the phone to basically for anything. I have just social anxiety. I don't like to call. But I was so upset, I called the Mall of America's Nordstrom Chanel, and got a super nice essay on the line, and I explained that I was trying to purchase something at another store and found out that I didn't have any purchase history and I didn't know why. And then she told me that their boutique does not tie in to the normal Chanel boutiques. And the reason I'm telling you all this is so you know as well that if you're purchasing from, I don't know if it's all Nordstrom Chanel's, but from somewhere other than a standalone boutique, I would check to make sure that they actually do tie in with the other Chanel's if that's important to you. I can tell you the Chanel inside the Saks Fifth Avenue in Manhattan does tie into the normal Chanel boutiques. But anyways, I got this person on the phone and I told her who I was. She looked up my buying history, said that yes, I had bought many things from there, but she said, you haven't bought anything lately. And I said, I know, because my essay had left and I don't like calling to find out about stuff. So I just didn't have an essay. And she goes, why don't you let me know what you were looking for? And I told her, and she, as I throw my opener down on the ground here.
At least it wasn't open and you didn't slice yourself.
It's plastic, so it won't do that.
Okay.
Just 1 second.
All right.
Gosh, it's like directly under my chair. So she asked me what I was looking for. I told her, and she apologized and said they didn't have anything like that in the store at this time. And so I'm like, okay. And I said, but, well, if you ever get any old pouches in, I'm trying to figure out how to open this as I'm talking. If you ever get any in, or if you have any in any color, I may be interested. I'm looking to get, 1 or 2 more. They're my absolute favorite thing from Chanel. And so she started sending me pictures of things. Not just the old pouches, but, and so she sent me pictures, and as it turned out, I actually wanted 2 things that she showed me. And so I now have an essay, again, with a Chanel, but it is a Chanel that doesn't tie into the normal Chanel boutiques. But I also wanted you to see this is a true unboxing, and you can see how things come if you call over the phone to ask to get something shipped to you.
Aren't you hoping to remedy that other problem in like August or September?
Yes, I'm hoping to go to Manhattan and meet up with some of the other bad girls and whoever else comes and go to the Manhattan Chanel store. So here's how it came. This was really nice. It was in the box, and then it was actually packaged in plastic, and then
so they practice safe gifting.
They do. Says, we hope you love it. Thank you for shopping with us. Your new designer purchase is amazing. If you need to exchange or return it, please make sure it's in its original condition with all the packaging and any tags still attached. Designer items purchased at Nordstrom stores or online at Nordstrom.com or Nordstrom CA are not eligible to return to Nordstrom Rack stores. Well, that's good because I don't have either one of those near me. And now it looks like in one of them she put a card. So that was really nice.
That to me or you?
It's to me.
Oh.
It's to the purchaser.
Oh.
Oh, so this is nice. Nice. Oh, look at how pretty that is. So I got a thank you. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. So my receipt's in here. And I got her card. And congrats on your lovely Chanel pieces. They are just so cute and fun. Thank you, and I look forward to helping you again. Enjoy. That is awesome. And now I have an essay again in a Chanel. So I'm super excited. So, yeah, I know you're not. We already discussed that off camera.
Right.
Okay, this is cool. So these are like more like the fabric ones now. Oh, it's been so long since I've opened anything new from Chanel. I'm just really excited. It has been...
She's so excited.
What'd she say? 4 or 5 years since I purchased from them? Probably 4 years, I'm guessing.
Seems like just yesterday.
I know, right?
No, you don't.
Okay.
Open it up and see what's inside.
Right? I'm just so excited. I like their boxes too. They feel cool.
Pretty substantial, huh?
Yeah, they feel nice. Just set that down there. So here's what I got, and it comes packaged nicely with a Chanel sticker. And I never opened very nicely. The paper actually says Chanel on it too. And it's all nice and pillowed in here, like that. Set this down. Oh, the care booklet is in there. And if you know Chanel, you'll know this is one of their zip pouch cases. This is so unlike anything I have, kind of. And these were a little bit extra, but I wanted it. I got this. So, look at this. It is this caviar zip pouch with the CCs that have the leather intertwined in them. There's the back. And then they got the little CCs on the zipper. And I really like it that this is metal, not plastic like some of them. And then the inside has the card. The interior is like a yellow.
That's interesting.
Yeah, and it's got the I didn't know these
kind of
had
match
chips.
the CC.
Yeah, they must have chips now, and so that must be here.
So where's the salsa?
And then the other Chanel code is right here. But this is awesome. She showed this, and I'm like, oh yeah,
Yeah, that doesn't look black.
that's happening. I mean, it's my color lately.
Uh-huh.
It just is. It's
Lately.
It's kind of like a hot pink. I'm trying to see how it goes against some of my other bags, but it's like, here's my mulberry, so you can see it's a lot more pink than like fuchsia, with the pink and purple.
Let's see how many you knock over this time. Where's Jerry? Is he off the edge now?
Yes, he's off the edge.
Oh, okay.
This would go really good with Jerry. So I love these. These are my favorite things from Chanel. Well, other than, like a classic flap or something, but
Your favorite SLG.
it's just, yes, for sure. Listen to you. So there's number one. This is super exciting.
Are you a little verklempt?
I am.
Should I discuss other things? Are you okay?
No, and here's now the next one. So it's probably going to come as no surprise, maybe, what this one is. Same size box. I even like that noise. It's like ASMR. Just the doing that and rubbing my hand and the sound.
Rubbing your hand on the box.
The sound the box makes even. This is what opened up. This one. Oh, see, that's good. The sticker wasn't on there, so I can open it nicely. I mean, it wasn't attached. Just got that all pillowed in there beautifully. To reveal.
I think we all want to know, what color is it?
Oh, you're acting like you know what it is already. And you'll see why I could not decide.
Lord.
So this one is in lambskin, and it's got this like greenish silver CC, and the zipper is the same color, and it's metal again. And then here's the interior. It's got the little notice there, and that's got to be the thing inside, the little tab they have now. And then here's the card for it. So this one was $75 less than the other one, and it's these are just my favorites. And you get the little CC. So I'm back. Getting the Chanel stuff. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, yep, the things, I got to take the sticker off it. But this is gorgeous. So I got one caviar and one in like it's a calfskin or lambskin. It is so soft. It's so soft. I want to say it maybe is lambskin. But yeah, that's what I got. I'm telling you, if you do want to dabble in Chanel and you're not sure where to start, to me, I would get one of these for sure. I mean, bar none. You can use it as a wallet. You can use it as a something to collect your items in. I usually use it as a catch-all. So I'll put like my rewards cards for places in it, and then a few credit cards. I got a little container that has pills in it for headache or like ibuprofen and stuff.
Your in-shell peanuts?
I put that in there. I got a hair tie I put in. I put hand sanitizer in these. I wouldn't recommend that for everybody, because if you're going to be afraid to use it, then you might not want to put something like that in it. But I've had no troubles with any of mine. I would pick this over a wallet any day of the week and twice on Sundays. I just think this is awesome because you can use it as a wallet, but it has a lot more versatility because it's open and it's a nice pouch. So, I'm back, baby. No, about Chanel. Those will be my only Chanel purchases probably for a while.
Can we get a clarification on video what a while is?
I'm trying to slow down. I'm trying to be more purposeful in my choices, but if I do see a black hole pouch, someone gets that in, okay, that might still have to come my way. But yeah, Chanel, as we all know, the prices are crazy. I don't think that's a bad price for that, but I certainly can't afford a $10,000 bag, or if I could, I wouldn't, because I'd much rather buy like 3 or 4 other bags than spend $10,000 on a Chanel bag. So the the 3 Chanel bag. Actually, I've switched stuff up. Where did I put the Chanel?
You never did
bags
actually
now?
say prices. You said the one was $75 less.
Oh, the one was $650. No, $675. The green one was $675. The pink one was $750. I know you want to know that, so
Like
now you know.
$7.50? No.
And now my Chanel's over here, but yeah, I bought this new, my wallet on chain. I bought my reissue new, and I bought my boy bag new. My jumbo classic flap that I bought used from Fashion File, and those will probably be. Oh, and I have a Chanel tote that now has some Chanel things on it. I absolutely love this tote. It's awesome because look at it's orange leather inside. But these are probably going to be the only Chanel bags that I ever have. I don't see myself purchasing anymore. Even wallets on chain, I absolutely love them from Chanel. They're my favorite. But the price, I think, is just too much, and I don't use them often enough. And I have enough really small Coach purses and stuff that I love. That, yeah, I don't think there'll ever be any more Chanel bags. Never say never. I could win the lottery. In other words, so never. Yeah. So that's what I have for you today. What do you think? Do you guys use the old pouches? What do you think of them? Yeah, I guess I don't know what any other questions to say about that, if you like them or not. But yeah, I had a good experience, but I guess again, you have to purchase from somewhere in store first before you can order over the phone generally. At least that's what I've run into. So I hope that was helpful for anybody. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I have another haul video coming up on Saturday. It's kind of a lot of miscellaneous stuff. There's some luxury and then some contemporary items that I'll be showing, and maybe a few other hauls coming up here and there. I put up videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays, sometimes a few extra, but generally that's when I put them out. If you haven't already found me over on Instagram, I'm there as well. It's James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing that. I would really appreciate it. Just trying to grow my channel. And I also ask that you leave a comment down below. I absolutely love interacting with everybody down in the comments below. It's been really exciting doing that. I've gotten some good book recommendations actually because of that. And it's also good to hear, like I showed a couple books last week and get some people's reviews of them. So I really appreciate it. I do this for the community of it all. And so that's probably my favorite, most important thing of all is I love when you comment. I answer all comments that I get, and I just really, really appreciate being here and really appreciate you spending time with me. So that's all I have for now. So please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
I appreciate you all spending time with me as well.